think it's one of the great things that you can do as a gardener. Come here, find out about new plants, get a few free seeds, and meet nice people.
This is the Washington Gardener Magazine 2024 Seed Exchange at the Brookside Gardens in Wheaton. You can come to exchange seeds with and meet other gardeners, listen to lectures, and win prizes.
I'm Beth Pye Lieberman, and I've been a gardener since 1998. I think seeds are probably the best part of the whole gardening season because they're just packed with promise.
To participate, you must register and bring your own unused seeds to contribute to the exchange. Here, you can get unique seeds, potted plants, exotic plants, and more in the exchange.
My favorite part about today's event is that it's a group of people who are like-minded. They're all bringing seeds, trading seeds, and learning and having a fun time doing it.
My name is Elisa Ferrante. I live here in Silver Spring, and I really enjoy connecting with the other people. I think I found out about this event from Facebook probably around 2019, and I've been coming back since. It's really fun. The speakers are always really informative, and the seed swap is super fun.